Well, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video for Stick. Today we're going to be going out for a car meet. I'm going to meet a few of the boys. I'm going to be taking out the salvage Type R. This is the day after it's been cleaned, but it's going to be a very exciting day because they're actually upgrading in cars. It's going to mostly be a POV driving day, to be honest. Yeah, I'm going to take the silencer out. It is quite loud, to be honest. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, salvage Type R against the V6 Audi 3.2 V6 Audi A3. Let's get it. Let's get it, yeah? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, mission! No! Oh, mission, man, mission. My fault, guys. Trying to do the DMO there. 1, 2, 3, go! Come on! Man, I love this car, man. Type R's all the way. But, you know, let you guys decide. But this car, I don't know whether the straight pipe made a difference in this car, like 10 brake horsepower. But she pulls. MashaAllah. It's quick, it's quick. Man, you know what it is? You know when the car's a lot more louder, it makes you feel a lot more aggressive. Like you want to go quick. That was fast. That was fast, that was. Wow, I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that drive. That was pretty cool. That was. Oh yeah, mashallah. Obviously, we've seen in the previous video, last couple of weeks, the standard Type R versus the V6. This is the salvage Type R with the straight pipe, straight through exhaust, 3-inch, and that's the difference it made with the straight pipe exhaust. So the Type R is slightly quicker. Jaguar, F-turn. He's going so fast, it is. I don't want everybody to I don't want everybody to rinse the Audi A3 because the way it went and the Type R slowly went past it, because that car still needs a lot of work. It needs a service. There's a DPF needs to be cleaned out. A few bits and bobs that car needs to be doing before it gets quicker. And obviously standard 246 brake horsepower. It's over 100,000 miles, so it's lost a bit of BHP there. And it's also got a big fat toolbox in the boot. It's got a spare wheel in the boot. There's 2 people in the Audi, so it's a lot more heavier. But with this, it's just me, and you know, the spare wheels. The car is completely lightweight. There's no other stuff in this car, so obviously it made a difference. But still, pretty interesting, though. Would you say? I think that this car is so loud. We're gonna see in the Audi cam how loud it is, but imagine if this car is boosted. I am really really want to boost this car. I'm really pushed to do it ever since I watched the Boosted Boys on YouTube. You know, the way they make a Type R be like 1,000 brake horsepower is just ridiculous. Ooh. It's very addictive. Even an older a person in their late 20s was to jump back into a Civic Type R from a very comfortable Audi BMW, it makes you be like, whoa, yeah man, this is fun. But it is immature, like, you know how loud it is. It's a bit too asbo, but if it's gonna make the car faster on the track, you know, it's good to go. We're good to go. There's an M1355. we're gonna get caught. Okay, you got me. You got me. It's too loud, I know. Huh?
Sounds good.
Oh, thanks, man. Thank you. Yeah. Get one. Canto lights. Oh, you see him? He's just slammed his brakes on me. Got a GOLF GTI, the stage 1 remap, which has got video right here if you want to watch it, the review on that car, POV drive. That's running 320 brake horsepower. And then we've got, you know, got Khalid behind us in a Golf R, stock 310 brake horsepower, I believe, 2017 plate. So we're gonna do some rolling rolls. Obviously the tripod's not gonna do crazy, like, you know, keep up with them. But it's good to see them two do a rolling race. They're both in the region of the 320, 310 brake horsepower, front wheel drive, four wheel drive. So just gonna enjoy the drive really. This is the time, isn't it? This year is gonna be crazy, full of car meets and car shows. Obviously, it would have been better if I had a car that's souped up to that. Maybe the S3 Rep or the Skyline would have been fun to have against them, but there's always plenty of other days. We'll go. My window don't work. My window don't work. Down there? Alright. Alright. Huh? That was mad, isn't it?
The motorway's clear.
Oh yeah. Do a standstill. Get together, get together.
Just do it from like 20, 3, 2, 1, go.
You guys are neck and neck, man. Yeah, that was crazy. Whose car's faster? Nikhil's car's faster then?
I would say it's probably the same. I think Nichols is the touch faster. Okay, ready, steady.
Take care, man.